Hello everyone, welcome. It's Nick with yet another update to UnitySelect. So I like the way the tool is a lot more dockable now, right? The way the layout is makes it much easier to dock in this sort of narrow region right next to the lengthy hierarchy, which would make sense because it is a tool to help you with object selection in Unity. Of course, to facilitate this, I've moved this new button just below this name and type select, and this new button in particular allows you now to add custom selections into UnitySelect. So what you could do is, of course, in the custom selection tab, you could select objects using Shift or Control Select, right? And then just hit the Make Custom Selection. Then you can name your button and hit done, and that will just create a new button that will instantly select the object. So in a map such as this, you could come across a situation where you want to move the entire map downwards, and this could sort of give you a hard time because there's so many objects in here. They don't even have the same parents. But with UnitySelect, well, you could just go in there, type select, right? And in here we can select all nodes. So just hit the My Nodes button, and say we wanted to drag those down just a bit, right? Just drop those down a bit, right? Just a little, of course. And then you could head over to name select, and these grayish objects have common name ground. So I'll just type in ground, hit check names and live update. That will automatically select them, for some reason including this ground plane, but I'll just keep that all the way. Switch off live select and control, get rid of that. So what I could do then is just drag those down as well. And just for future reference, I could also head over to the custom selection and then just create a new one, call that grounds, hit done. That will set the grounds as well. And then the final thing would be the ends, and instead of looking for them in the hierarchy, I can just use that button and sort of just drag them into position as well. I believe they're a bit higher than the rest of the map. So yeah, those are the features right now in UnitySelect. I am working on a long list of other features. The next sort of milestone would be improving the UI in UnitySelect. Right now it does look a bit bundled up and so on. Don't forget to join our Discord to get an early free release of this tool. Join our beta testers and sort of join in with the community, as well as joining the YouTube channel, where I will be posting most of my updates, and a link to both of those will be available in the comment section. So please let me know what you think about the tool, and hope to hear from you.